Okay, can you confirm your name and date of birth?
My name is Sunny Rohman Roni. My date of birth is 20 February.
Okay, great. And I'll be carrying out your interview today. I'm just going to remind you of the process. You may ask me to repeat the questions a few times before we move on to the next one. During the interview, I will be typing up your answers. So for that reason, I need you to speak slowly and clearly so I can type up everything that you're saying and I don't miss any of the information you provide me with. It's very important during the interview that you're not reading from notes or websites. So before we begin, can you confirm that you're able to hear me and that you're fit and well enough to be interviewed now?
Yes, I am.
So the first question is, why have you decided to study in the UK rather than your home country?
I thought this course is not up to date and not enough materials in my own countries. Once I choose the study in my country, but after that when I research online, but I found is far better in my country is not enough facilities to study this course, and on my country's teaching approach is not up to date and relevant. So that is why I choose United Kingdom is the best option for me to study this course.
Can you tell me the location of the university?
Well, I will study in University which is located in Land Road, S16, United Kingdom.
So why have you chosen this university?
Well, the university first reason is choosing the University of is dynamic university which provide that high quality education, and this university is ranked at 28 out of 121 a global league table. Plus this university second in England and seventh in United Kingdom by the National Student Survey by Student Satisfaction 2020. This is the reason is choosing these universities.
Which other universities did you consider?
I consider 3 university websites online, such as University of UWE Bristol, University of Hertfordshire, University of Plymouth, but I found this university is far better than other university facility in terms of facilities, teaching approach and tuition fees. I found this university is better than other those universities.
And what's the name of the course?
Well, I will study in the foundation foundation certification 2.5 times science and engineering.
What was the last course of study you completed?
Well, I have completed diploma in January 4th in 2020, and I got my completion 8th semester March in 2020. After that, the COVID-19 situation in my own country is going to increase. That's why I never applied for this university, and the current pandemic is going to day by day, and we faced the lockdown. So that's why I never do anything during this time.
And how does that course link to this one?
Well, my particular course is completely relevant and related with my previous study. I have completed 4-year diploma under board, and my prior knowledge of electronics, engineering, communication engineering, biomedical engineering, programming C, it will make it easier to choose study in this course.
And what modules will you study on the foundation course?
During my foundation year, foundation certification science and engineering, I will study 3 important modules, which is FC00 extend project, FC31 intermediate mathematics, FC312 physics. And during my undergraduate first year, I will study engineering research, engineering mathematics and coding, and applied electronics. During my second year, I will study engineering research to communication engineering and design engineering. During my final year, I will study in the engineering practice and engineering project and engineering embedded engineering and television engineering.
Okay, so what is your future plan after you complete this course?
Once I have completed the degree in UK in this course, I will be able to get a job in my own country at multinational companies such as LG, Oppo, Hawaii, those company. I would be get a job in my country.
So what is your expected salary?
Well, first as I began of this job, then I would be able to get 1 lakh and approximately 20 lakhs per year. I choose the variety of the rules: design engineering, product engineering, system engineering. Those of the rules at this university, at this company.
And how are you funding your studies?
Well, my father will pay my father will pay my course fee and maintenance, all the things, because my father is a businessman. He owns a shop and restaurant and commercial property in my own in our local area, and the shops and restaurants is located in our commercial place, and he earns average 3.5 lakhs a month, and the property, the shops and restaurant is located commercial place. There's the all of the income comes from directly, and he owns two building, and he earns average 1.5 lakhs. So he will maintain my course fee.
Okay, so where will you stay while you study in the UK?
Well, I will be living in Bristol, which is a buzzing and playful city, and a city with a green species and incredible surrounding hills. In 2008, I visited UK. Luckily, I got the chance to visit the King Western House with my aunts and moms.
Yeah, so what accommodation will you book?
Once I get my visa, I will booked my university accommodation. I researched the online, and I have done all the necessary things. Once I get my visa, I applied for a university accommodation.
What is your future plan after you complete this course?
Once I have complete this degree in this UK and this subject, then I would be get a job at multinational company, and I earn average 1 lakh or more than 2 lakhs average month. So this is the reason it's helped me lots in my bright future.
Okay, so that was my last question. So the interview has now finished.
Thank you.